They're dead. Call me. 3 grand.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. And oh, by the way, it is my birthday. Yes, people, yes, it is my birthday. And oh my God, I think today, by the time you're watching this, I think I'm going to be at the spa. We just want to have a little day for just reflect, relax. Cause you know, say you can't really do anything much because you know, bro got on the curfew and corona and all of that. And so I'm hoping that by the weekend, we can get to hang out with a few of my friends and to do some actual celebration. But burritos, if you're born, Gemini season, big up all the Geminis watching this right now because you know, say we are the clean heart. We might have one little crazy side, but we're genuine and we are good friends and we are troopers and we're dedicated and we're loyal and all of them little things there. Well, that's what we tell ourselves, alright? But anyway, enough of my chatting. If you are on the live right now, big up on yourself and thanks for all of the well wishes and all of that. But let's get into this countdown because it's been a while.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Skilly Bang. Me Easter time. My word, my sentence. So dancehall artist, big superstar now that have Hot 100 Billboard song with Nicki Minaj, Skilly Bang, has been in a bit of public scrutiny recently because he was seen, on social media posing up with a female other than the girl that we kind of have as his girlfriend. Pre.
Chopper again.
Okay, so burritos, just in case you were not keeping up with the story, with the saga, so Skillibeng has been rumored to be dating this girl named Taveion. This nice, pretty young girl that been doing her thing on social media. I think she's trying to enter the YouTube space.
Anyway guys, so it's me Tav and
yeah, this is her. And so she has not shied away, the public know her as Skillibeng's girlfriend. But just the other day, Skillibeng was all over social media with this particular girl, this new girl, and apparently, according to this Twitter user, was getting rid of mosquito from this girl's body jaw. I mean, is anything really surprising? The little dancehall artist thing that many of us kind of feel say, loyalty might not be them best trait because it must be very difficult, for when your boss as an artist, you have like big international song right now with Nicki Minaj and all of these things, and you do it a road and then woman just give them pum pum like, ooh, just open up like I can feel left, right and center in a Cornwall, Middlesex and Surrey. Like you feel like you want to partake into all of them nicest there into the Middlesex section. And so, like, me don't know, maybe get a little pass, maybe Taveion already know the strips. And somebody also, posted this clip of this video in which she actually spoke about her thoughts on getting born. Take a look.
So, but cheating is not a deal breaker. Like a man. Man. Who cares?
Okay, so from all accounts, it looks like Taveion know what's up. She understand the strips. And so maybe they have an open relationship and this is understanding. So just let them be themselves in this union. Okay? So burritos, I want to hear what you think about this. Do you think that Skillibeng is definitely wrong to be being this close with this other woman? And what do you think that Taveion should do? Sound off below. Number 9, the Riri effect. Me umbrella, burritos. So, oh my gosh, like this story is just so amazing. No, some time ago, that Nicki Minaj and Rihanna, they posted up showing them, this really expensive hat shoes around the place right now. With the one back like a lace, something look like crochet. Alright, but Rihanna had a matching dress. And everybody was just like, yo, where did she get it from? Like a which name brand that? And apparently it was not from one of them big designers that many of you might know. It was from actually a local designer from Barbados. Now, she went on to tell the story that basically is that, Rihanna's best friend Melissa was in Barbados and go there for get some stuff and, take a listen.
Taylor has only been crocheting for 7 months and is already living every designer's dream of having one of her pieces worn by a celebrity and even featured in Vogue. Taylor recounts when she found out Rihanna was wearing her design.
My friend messaged me and she goes, Shani, Rihanna got his dress, was it? Rihanna got my dress. It was so surreal. I just looked at it. I ran across my neighbors. I was like, look, Rihanna got his dress.
The dress, which took 2 days to complete, was originally from Melissa, Rihanna's longtime friend.
Melissa usually comes and spend time with my neighbors. So one day she was here, and I just got up and approached her. Is she mind wearing one of my swimsuits? So she was like, sure. So when I take it to her, she saw it. She was really impressed with it. She then said she wanted a dress. So I was like, what color you want and how you want it? And I just came in. So immediately I took up my measuring tape. And I just went back with the measure her. Came inside the same time when I started to crochet this dress.
It was gifted to Rihanna for her birthday, and since then, thousands have ordered it.
I have gotten requests from America, Ghana, Canada, United Kingdom. They're just rolling. Even the Philippines, Germany, they're coming.
Taylor, who is now crocheting full-time, just has one piece of advice for other designers.
To be honest, just don't give up. Just keep doing it the way you love. You never know who's going to see it, who's going to wear it. You never know. And I'm living the dream.
She revealed that Rihanna has already contacted her for future pieces. Crystal Hoyt, CBC News.
You see why you must always just like show up in every moment, because you never know which moment will lead you to getting that great, massive success. Can you imagine if the woman just decides that she just not going to work the particular day there? She wouldn't have met Melissa, and Melissa wouldn't have been able to pass on the thing to Rihanna. Look at that. The woman says she's fully booked and busy, and I'm sure right now she is in a lot of international, with a lot of international demand, and I'm very happy for her, especially as an entrepreneur, especially as a creative, especially, in this pandemic where a lot of persons' businesses have been suffering. I'm really, really happy that, her work could get this recognition just because it got seen by the right eye. So burritos, let me know what you think about this. Would you also wear a dress like that? Sound off below. Number 8, spicy getaway. Me Valentine. Alright, so by me I tell you, like, watch love, watch Rasta, watch Queen of Dancehall. I absolutely love to see Spice when she interact with her family. And in recent times, I like to see the Spice like in love and them look something there. Because we kind of overseen Spice when she upset, when she go up on stage and do look at thing them now, like we like to see Spice like in this now where she look like she have somebody who really love her and really want to be her equal and just give her the strength where she need, because say it can't easy for her go up and down pan tour all over the place, and when she come back her yard like just she want that by herself. Like my likes of the queen, she have the little king there beside her where she get a little comfort there. You get me, at the end of the day and she can feel protected. So Spice, recently took her boo, J-Bug Media, I hope I'm getting the name correctly, to the island and kind of came around, and boy, the two of them did a go on with themselves. Take a look.
Where you going? Wait.
But now, I love this for Spice. I love this for Spice. Yeah, we love this for Spice right there, so. Why me I talk like pretty? Favoritos, are you here for this relationship? Do you love seeing them together? I want to hear you in the comments. So number 7, Mama Spice. Alright, so burritos, like, honestly, I mean, I love when people just like show the different dynamics with them and their various family members, because Jamaica don't short of personalities, and many of us have these personalities within our very own family. So ZJ Sparks, has been featuring her mother quite often on her page, and recently she went to visit her abroad, and trust me, this surprise was well worth it after hearing what the mother said to Pri.
Mommy, what you doing? What you do?
Some fish, I cook fish in a Chinese style.
No, so why you have newspaper up on the ground?
No, I have to put that when the fish fry, the oil fly out of the pot and what's on the tail. So I fry the fish out. Because when the window open, the breeze blow the thing.
Yo, I can't bother with that one every day. Hey, watch out. Watch out. What is now? What is?
The Chinese black bean, Chinese bean curd, Chinese pickle ham choy, and that's scallion, ginger, and garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper.
Who the hell put newspaper on the ground for cook? What?
Yes, Burritos. I absolutely just love like when Sparks just like interact with her mother, because her mother, she's an Asian Jamaican, and I just love to hear when she speak the Creole, and I just love to see how she just enjoys cooking and how she's just so raw and authentically her, and definitely provides some insight into why and how ZJ Sparks became who she is, because yeah man, her mother is a sample. Number 6, lawyer tales, mid-judge court. What? Alright, so Burritos, I have to share this story. I'm wanting to just listen and pay attention keenly, because there is definitely a message at the end of the day. I know upon the countdown, it can't just be one bag of Riri and carelessness. Sometimes if I have the little, the informative content so you can get where, a little word, a food for thought at the end of the day. So let me just jump into it. I don't normally do this, but here's a thread. While on my way home from work last week, I was stopped by the police. Why are you out on the road 15 minutes after curfew, sir? I was asked. I was at work, sir, and lost track of time, was my reply. But you can't afford to lose track of time, he replied. You're so right. I'm an attorney. I know the law and I should not have lost track of time, was my reply. With a puzzling face, he asked, You're a new attorney, right? You just got called the other day? No, sir. I'm a young attorney, but I've been practicing for a little while. With an even more puzzling look on his face, Mr. Officer had to continue with his investigation. Can I ask you a question? And I promise you, I mean no offense. No, I'm puzzled, but told him, sure, go right ahead. So how come you're a young liar? You are the first young liar, Mr. We are driving such an old car. Naturally, I would have been offended, but I chuckled. He was referring to my 2001 Sunny Nissan. Her name is Maria, by the way. He was perhaps also puzzled by why I was driving Maria with obvious damage from a massive car accident. I just smiled and replied, perhaps I'm the only young lawyer you've met who chose to invest in real expensive estates and appreciating asset rather than a flashy car at depreciating day by day. The interesting thing is that he isn't the only one. Many people, friends and colleagues have asked me this very question. Are you working for the largest law firm in Jamaica, but driving such an old car? Honestly, I could give a lecture in response. I have to be honest with myself. I'm not as fortunate as some of my colleagues and friends. I'm coming from poverty. And nope, I don't want to go back there. Of course, I want to live in luxury, have the good things them, and drive a nice car, but not right now. Negative equity and opportunity costs are real. As young people, we need to assess these things every day. We need to educate ourselves and be real with our realities. I struggle with social media. Honestly, I do. But the dumpling and butter and crackers and Milo tea days keep me focused. They turn my red eyes into happy for you eyes, and my that looks great eyes into it will rust and it can mash up eyes. Have to pace myself for the future I want to live by making wise investment choices from the day that I can afford to. And so yeah man, this is definitely something I hope all of the burritos, and especially the young ones that may have left out of high school right now, that are pleased to take heed and live the little hype life and focus on the things that will give you and sustain a longer quality of life, because you buy this car today and then tomorrow you're dead for hungry. You run, take up all the little money, go on a party and do all of this thing, a braf. When 10 years down the line, all your friends are going to say, boy, I remember back in 2020 when you used to live life nice and wear all of the good clothes them, and look at them on the roadside now a big money. Them look at something here. You don't really want that, so you really have to be mindful of how you spend and how you really value the hype life. That's all I have to say. What do you think about this message, burritos? Sound off below. Number 5, Yeng Day. Yes, the burritos. So recently, Shenseea celebrated a day that she dubbed Yeng Day. Now, this is the day that she released the monster single Yeng Anthem, and a day or so, she called all of her fans, her supporters, Yeng. And so, she posted some images on social media in a 2-piece bikini swimsuit outfit with all of the countries them, all of the part of CARICOM them, everywhere where fair fans them reside. And trust me, people, man, like, yeah, some people did very glad to them end up in there into our Middle region.
Happy Yeng Day, Shenengs. I love you guys so much. You don't even understand. I'm so happy that we're celebrating this day. I chose this day to be Yeng Day because this was the date actually, that the official Yeng anthem was released.
But yeah, Shenseea has been all about the place. You see that she even dropped another freestyle, and that would go on with a nice amount of things. And I'm just like, all for Shenseea, like doing her thing right now. Many people definitely doubted her when she started out, and I'm sure a lot of us are probably in awe that she's managed to work on herself and improve her craft in such a short period of time. And so, you know, the sky's the limit for Shenseea and beyond that. So, congratulations, Shenseea. Big up yourself on your Sheng Yeng Day. And yeah, I can't wait for the next big tune that come from you. Number 4, Mama Sticky Wine. Waistline. Alright, so Berry I forgot to show you this video here. I'm in a long talking, but this woman is defining all but not cool. What this video is giving is very much Pampute Sticky Wine, but she had it in a little different way because she actually have a little stick in her hair and pre. Alright, so Burrito's like, boy, honestly, like, I just love when I have these, you know, older women on the countdown. You know, I really do like older women. I think older women, I don't know, them just, I don't know. I don't think me ever have no bad energy with an older woman. Like, an older man could have boxed me in my face and I could just turn the other cheek. It's like something, I don't know, like something about like an older woman who just like put you in your place and you just like, you just understand yourself. I don't know, maybe I have some trauma, some childhood trauma, but like, I don't know, something about, I don't even know why I talk about all of this right now, because, but I don't know, something just, you know, something like a, you know, like, you know, I just want obedient, you know, like a thing like that, but yeah. I'm so weird. Oh gosh. But yeah, Burrito's like, do you want to get like this when you are her age? You feel like you still can move up and down and, you know, them look something there? Or you feel like you're going to be one of them little church sister there who just don't and just sit down and just rocking at them chair? Sound up below. Number 3, funeral whaler. Oh my God. So Burrito's, so some time ago, this brother now took to social media basically, you know, making an appeal, promoting his services that he will show up to a funeral and just to, ball to kind of support and give the little funeral, little vibes. Because you know, you want little people them a ball, you want people them to grieve, and he is bringing that sort of excitement to the table. And
I mean, Kingston 11. I mean, say, as you're dead, call me. As you're dead, call me. 3 grand sing, 5 grand sing and ball, 7 grand sing ball and roll. And if you use club bar, dig me off a coffin to go down the hole at 10 grand. That's a town price. Country price of 5 grand sing, 7 grand sing ball and roll, 10 grand sing ball and roll. I got from refuse club bar and dig me off at 13 grand. As you're dead,
can't really wrong this brother because, you know, look at it in this entire panini right now. Everybody is pivoting and people, you can monetize anything. You can find a way to make money from anything. So if this man say he is just a professional baller, pay the man what he's worth. And I'm very lucky, I'm very happy that we got to see what the man was talking. Like, honestly, him deserve every penny. Like, honestly, him deserve every penny we him asked for. Free. No, Burritos. Is this a service that you would actually want at a funeral that you're attending? Would you actually hire him to come to a funeral to get on like this? For real, I'm actually curious. Sound off below.
Nobody, Jamaicans in the middle road. He woke up and show started.
Number 2, boy a drop. Wow, Burritos, I know it take one little while to drop this story, but better late than never because this particular moment like never did escape the social media countdown because once it's a drop, I am there. And so anyway, so recently Patrice, you know her as a celebrity trainer, so she teamed up with Boya Things, that is Kareem, Big Dreams, and him have the Boya Things podcast, so I've gone with a bag of things. He, you know, she reached out to him and them work out, and I guess she was just trying to get him, you know, ready for the summer and all of these things. And so, on one of these days, she actually, you know, gave my instruction to run up a hill, and Kareem, you know, saddled up in the tracks and decided to just show how fit he was.
Jesus Christ.
When it start yet?
How is this? What is this? How far, Robert?
When you reach off the hill yet? Drop the tire right there. You're going to sprint to that tree right there. Come back. When you come back, you're going to give me 10 jumping jacks again with the tire. Right up there. So you pass that little white bridge, the tree right above it. Ready? Let's go. Sprint! Full on! Full on! Lift your leg. What?
No, honestly, I tell you, I did not anticipate that. Like, me never anticipate that at all. Like, how? The brother take off like Shelly and out of the starting block and me I say, yeah man, the youth are gonna strut right up the hill, and out of nowhere, the brother just capsized. Just bloof, bloof. So, after that now, Patrice posted it to Twitter. I had now for ask Christ, said the video just went viral. It got so reshared and retweeted to the point where Kareem was actually trending in Jamaica for that epic Humpty Dumpty fall. Like, and worse, it was in the middle of the whole tramp season. So, you know, people just decided to just like put him in every single meme known to man. But yeah, man, that's it for Kareem's Boy Things drop. Let me know what you thought about the video. Yeah man, so that is it for the Kareem Boy Things drop. Let me know, like, how hard did you laugh when you watched this video for the first time? Sound off below.
Hey guys, you don't know, so it's your girl Shenseea and you're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked. Shenseea.
And number one goes to Trinidadian Rising Star. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number one goes to the Trinidad Rising Star for his viral song that has absolutely been taking over TikTok. Alright, so burritos, so if you've been living under a rock now, the burritos them, only time I say I don't really like it, come out and show like a shade pound and talk about live under a rock, but this is the last time that I will be saying it. If you have been living under a rock, then I guess you might not hear about this thing. But there is a brother that is called Young Brother Official, that is his Instagram name. And he has been trending after doing this song on the salty TikTok rhythm that is something about, my mother was a Chinese.
Again, 1, 2, 3, let me go. My father was a Chinese, and my mother was a Indian. And everywhere I go in the whole Bible, they ask me where you get a language from, so I tell them, Dayum sing, Dayum, 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 still do Dayum sing.
And burritos, may I tell you, that bit of freestyle, it was just so catchy, and people just like enjoyed it, and to the point where I never really did make say the brother don't come from Jamaica. This is actually a Trinidadian, even though I hear the accent, but the vibe and the personality and the flair, it just felt like a Jamaican character, and that is why I guess so many Jamaicans definitely gravitated to this youth. And so if you go on TikTok, you won't have any problem like finding people like doing different duets and different, you know, do-overs.
Baby, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when you hear part 2? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when you hear?
And in the middle of this, you know, Brand Jamaica, they have to go show up there, because once he started to trend, our very own P. Diddy, Jay-Z of Jamaica, Ramesh Entertainment, made a post on his social media asking to find this guy's handle because he wanted to produce 2 songs from the brother, and it looked like say him never waste no time. The contact was made because in the blink of a Miss Kitty eye, they were already premiering that project.
Ramesh Entertainment with Shine Young Brother, Optimus Production.
And so yes, burritos, like honestly, like yo, this going about of things, I'm definitely here for it. It is really a cool look. All I have to say is that big up youth, Young Brother Official. I can't wait to see more from you, because I'm sure say yo, Jamaicans are going to find your page and they're going to be supporting you. And when Jamaican people support you, they make up one mega nice. So I just hope that you just continue for just like being yourself and to just bring your personality. And that's all I have to say. Well, that is it. We've come to the birthday edition of my social media countdown. Thank you so much, burritos, for always supporting me. Make sure say hit the like button right there, so make sure say hit the way you call it down, the share it, send it to a friend and family member in our WhatsApp group all over the place. I also need you, may I beseech you to comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown, as well as you can just like comment and tell me happy birthday, because that's all I really want from you. I love get a happy birthday message. Like just tell me say, yo, you know, I like your video, I like say yeah, persevere, I like yo, I love that. Like if you're on me feel good and them like a birthday message, you're gonna make me like feel good. Also to ensure that if you don't know about my second channel, that is the Duttyberry Uncut, I will be posting over there soon. So please to, you know, touch right up here, so go over to the channel and to subscribe. If you want to follow me on my social media countdown, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And if you want to email me to advertise within the social media countdown, it is bookings.TheDuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. And also I'm extending the special promo, the 15,000 promotion for the month of June. So if you have a business, you have a product, whatever it is, please to contact me as soon as possible so we can just like work out how and when we will have your promotion.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.